Welcome back to the Adventures of Wonder and the 7 by 12 cargo conversion series. Now, step 11, smart camper windows, safety, fresh air, and peace of mind. The mod that gave the Black Diamond and me a fresh start. This one, this one meant a lot. Installing Windows sounds simple until it's your trailer, your home, and you're about to cut two giant holes through the structure of that trailer. These windows weren't just upgrades, they were about safety, about airflow, and honestly, creating a space that felt open when life was starting to feel like a little close in. I started with measurements. You know how they say measure twice, three times, four times, and cut once? So yeah, I started with measurements over and over again. Inside, outside, corner to corner, high, width, studs, cross beams. Everything had to be perfect, at least from my point of view. One wrong line and the whole trailer skin could warp. Once I was confident, I taped and marked the exact cut lines. This is the part where your brain says, "Are you sure? Really sure?" Because after this step, there's no going back. Now the first layer, the plywood, it went kind of smooth, clean cuts, no surprises at all. It gave me the confidence, but I knew the real fight was coming with the metal. I knew it. This right here was a war. Oh my god. I went through multiple blades. Some broke instantly. Some lasted a few inches. But this was not cutting a piece of cake. This was precision, patience, and a workout. Yeah, it was a freaking workout. I don't have the video, but there was one corner that came up short. And that forced me into the most old school fix possible, manual grinding. My arms, my shoulders, they were screaming, sweat everywhere on the metal foot back the whole time. Oh man! But little by little, the opening came together. The preparation. This is the most important part, and this is how I'm gonna transmit these two hacks to you. Number one, it is easier to pre-drill the holes for the screws that support the window with the window down rather to try to balance the window frame vertically holding the drill and the screws and balancing the ladder when you are drilling and the whole wall in the camper is vibrating. So pre-drill the holes. And the second hack is get butyl tape. That sealant is amazing. Put it in the fridge for at least an hour before using it. Handling when it's cold is much easier. And then go all over the border of the window, fit it in place, and then drill the holes. I didn't record the mounting part because I needed all my focus on getting them aligned, sealed, and locked in. And I was getting prime level help whose time I didn't want to waste, to be honest. But I secured them tight. I I made sure everything was level and sealed. After the first window, the second one felt like smoother. Same measurements, same cuts, same grind. And before I knew it, the Black Diamond finally had real airflow, real light, and real escape routes. These windows are amazing. The size, integrated blackout shades, they just don't look good. They're functional, safe, and built for emergencies. Here's the blinds. Here's the screen. So, none. Yes, a lock here, another lock here, another lock here. These windows changed the camper, and they changed the way I felt inside it. More light, more air, more peace of mind. And for me, it really did feel like a fresh start. If you are enjoying this cargo conversion series, hit that subscribe button and join the adventure. At the beginning, I forecasted 10 episodes. Only 10 episodes, but we got a few more episodes coming, and trust me, you will love them. See you in a little bit.